Bonjour tout le monde. I just left a client meeting. I am on my way home. Oh, I see this place. I literally just looked up and it's this place called Olive, but it looks like my name here. Let me check. That is so cute. It's an Italian restaurant. I'm gonna have to go here. I'm gonna stop and take a picture of the menu. Look at this. It looks like Olivia if you look quickly. That is adorable. Okay, sidebar, not what I was talking about at all. But yeah, I just left the client's office. I'm walking to the metro now. It's been a good day. It's freezing cold. Oh my gosh. Just want to update you guys. I'm very excited for springtime in Paris. I feel like the weather is just gonna, like, you know, because things have already been kind of exciting, and like I feel like when the weather gets better, just like everything gets better. So, and I'm traveling a lot more this spring. I think I'm gonna be starting traveling I have a big trip planned in April, so you guys will get to see that. But I might have like maybe like a weekend trip before then. I don't know, we'll see. But like my big trip that I'm like really excited about is in April, so you guys will get to see that. Guys, look who's back. She's back.
Hi.
She's back in Paris again.
Just for the day.
Doing the most, per usual.
Doing the most. Always.
Today?
Yeah.
Wait, I thought you were in the morning. That's what I was just wondering. You scared the crap out of me. I have to get a new picture today. Guys, this is the line. Look at this. It's literally like a line to get into like a club. This is crazy. There's so many people. Look at this. It's like so many people. This is the most black people I've ever seen in France, other than when we went to the J. Cole concert. So insane. Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui c'est vendredi. I'm on my way to a cooking class. I've wanted to do that since I got here, and I have always wanted to learn how to make macarons, so why not? I think it's gonna be really fun. Was so good. It was just like, I always wanted to do that, like cute little touristy stuff, and like it was cool because I got to be around like Americans, and like I don't normally get to do that, so that was cool. And I made pink macaroons with glitter. Like, it was just so cute. I really enjoyed that. I'll leave all the information for you guys if you want to go make macaroons while you're in Paris. Walking along the river now. I'm trying to decide. It's like, it's so nice, but I have like all my like work bag and now a big box of macaroons. I'm trying to decide if I should go back to my apartment. But if I go back to my apartment, I live in a 4th floor walk up, so once I go back, like, I'm not coming out. So I feel like maybe I'll go to BHB. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.